What's going on, guys? It's 𝐸𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 back with another video. I know it's been a while. I've been gone for almost 6 months now, besides the video that I posted where I explained why I disappeared. And I'm officially back. And for today's video, we're gonna be spinning a wheel. And on that wheel is different types of pizzas that you guys put in the comments section of all of my videos. And we're gonna decide what pizza we make based off of this spin. Let's go ahead and figure out what we're gonna be making. In 3, 2, 1. Hawaiian barbecue pizza. So I'm gonna have to come up with the recipe and I'm gonna do it right off the dome. And when we do, we're gonna come back and we're gonna start making this pizza. All right, so we've got an idea for the base and yo, watch your step. So we got an idea for the base and what we're gonna do is we're gonna use barbecue sauce, obviously, it's Hawaiian barbecue. We're gonna use barbecue sauce. We're gonna take some pineapples and we're actually going to char them so that way they get like a little bit of a smoky flavor. We're gonna add a little bit of pineapple juice. We'll do some cayenne pepper, maybe a little bit of honey, and we're gonna gather all of it together. So the first thing we need to do is we need to make sure the pineapples are charred. So that's firing up. Let's grab our pineapples. So that should be enough, maybe a little less, just like that. So we're literally just gonna stick this right in the broiler. It's gonna get nice and charred. And we'll come back to it once I think it's ready. But it's a little cold, so it's gonna have to warm up, it's gonna have to char. So I'm gonna assume like 20, 30 minutes. Food processor / blender. Grab some honey. Boom. I think we're ready. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna brown the garlic for the first thing. So we'll get this fired up. Add a little bit of oil. You don't wanna go crazy with it. You literally just wanna brown it. Don't black it, brown it. There's a difference. Boom, just like that. That is perfect. We're gonna start with our barbecue sauce. We're gonna drop that in there. We'll add some garlic. Please don't melt. And then we're gonna add a little bit of honey. And this should be fun to pop out. Here we go. Oh yeah. A little bit of cayenne pepper. So we're gonna add a little bit of pineapple juice. That should be good. This pineapple's done. Got a good char on it. Oh yeah. Right in there. We're good to go. Damn, that's good. Wow. Make sure you guys are leaving comments for what pizza you guys want me to do, because I'm telling you, I'll literally make any type of pizza that you want. I'm not afraid. I have no fear, except for spiders and snakes. And what are you afraid of?
Height.
You're afraid of height?
Yeah.
So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna start working on our toppings for the pizza. And what we've got is we have Spam, red onion, bacon, cilantro, smoked Gouda, mozzarella cheese, pineapples, and I think that's everything. We're gonna start with the Spam. We're gonna dice it. So let's go ahead and cut this in half. And we're gonna start it off in slices. And next, we're simply just gonna come down. I'm just gonna start going ham on this. Boom. Like that, on to the next, boom. My rule of thumb whenever I'm making pizza is I should be able to fit the topping amount inside my hand, because then I can just give it an even spread. Now, obviously, sometimes you might need more or less depending on how much you want out of your toppings, but because of the fact that we have more toppings, we're gonna do a little bit less of those toppings so it's not like this heaping stack of pizza, right? Next, we've got the red onion. Like, you gotta peel it. Cut this in half. Put that to the side. Let's go this way, straight down. Topping number 2 is done. Quick and simple. So next we got the smoked Gouda. Normally what I would do is I would grate it, but we don't have a handheld grater. We've only got like the big like push graters, and I'm not trying to assemble that whole entire thing for this little block of cheese. So I'm basically just gonna chop it as fine as I can so that way it just melts properly. That's really it. That's good. We're just going the other direction now. Once you break it up, it'll melt just as we need to. And now for our garnish, we got cilantro. Bacon's already cut, pineapple's already cut. We're good to go. So now we're all set and we're ready to make this pizza. We're gonna choose our favorite dough here. I'm so excited. Here we go, let's toss this dough. A little bit of flour on the peel. We got our dough. We're gonna stretch this out to about 16 to 18 inches. Drop it down on the peel. We've got our sauce that we made. Drop that down. Next, we're gonna take a little bit of mozzarella cheese and we're gonna go around and we're gonna do a light coverage because we still need to get our Gouda cheese on there. A lot of the pizza recipes that we do ends up having smoked Gouda with it, and it starts to make me realize that smoked Gouda is just such an amazing universal cheese all around that it's like, you can never go wrong with it. Now we're gonna have our Spam on top of here. That's gonna be the first ingredient, which is our protein. So get a little even spread around. Red onion, get that around. Next is our bacon bits. And to finish off, I know we got pineapple in there already, but we're gonna do a little bit more pineapple just to make it look good. This is ready to go into the oven. So let's send it in and taste it once it's ready. We're back. Shout out to Withered Knoll for recommending the pizza. Like I said, I go through every single one of my comments and I compile a list of the different types of recipes that you guys want to see me do. And the more comments that I get, the more recipes I have. The more comments you leave, the more potential you have of being in a video. So make sure you guys continue to comment. I appreciate you guys when you spread the love, and I spread it back by making your pizzas. And I take your vision and I turn it into a reality. So make sure you continue to do so. Pizza's still good. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn post notifications on so you never miss a video. We are officially ready. Our pizza is done. All we gotta do is garnish it and we're ready to give this thing a rating. Got a solid crisp. I could already hear it as I cut through. Add a little bit of a garnish. Squeeze a little bit of lime juice up there. That is a beautiful pizza. I am so damn excited to eat this. So let's do it. We got our pizza, plates. Let's bite into this. We're gonna give it a rating. Good? Nice. The first pizza that I've made for a video in 6 months. Buon appetito, Hawaiian barbecue pizza. Oh my God. Jesus, dude. This might actually be like one of my favorite pizzas that I've made. This is a big one. I'm gonna give it a 9.1. 9.1 is gonna be my score for this. That's gonna be hard to beat. Hope you guys can. Leave it in the comments and maybe your pizza will end up on my next video. So until next time, my name is Anthony Camardo with Slice of Life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Dude, this is good. Holy shit.